Are you ready to take control of your money like never before? Cryptocurrencies promise to revolutionize our financial world, offering new ways to store, manage, and spend your wealth, all without an intermediary, also known as a financial institute, aka bank. In today's exploration, we'll delve into the rise of digital currencies, how they aim to democratize finance, and why powerful advocates like Michael Saylor, Edward Snowden, and even Twitter ex-CEO Jack Dorsey believe they could transform the entire global economy. Let's dive right into it. Chapter 1. Why cryptocurrencies? A response to traditional banking. What's driving the explosive growth of digital currencies? In short, people are searching for financial freedom. Cryptocurrencies offer direct ownership and control over your wealth, freeing you from the constraints of traditional banks. As fiat money faces growing skepticism due to inflation and central bank control, digital currencies emerged as a radical response, promising decentralized finance and a world where your wealth isn't dictated by governments. But how well does this vision match reality? Chapter 2. Skepticism Towards Fiat Money. In times of crisis, cryptocurrencies have become lifelines. High inflation rates in countries like Venezuela and Zimbabwe made fiat currencies unreliable, prompting citizens to seek alternatives. Michael Saylor, founder and CEO of MicroStrategy, even did put Bitcoin on MicroStrategy's balance sheet as a secure store of value. Edward Snowden also believes cryptocurrencies are vital to protecting personal privacy, empowering individuals in ways traditional banking never could. Their advocacy reflects the deep-rooted distrust in fiat money as inflation eats away at its value. Chapter 3. The Decentralization Debate. One of the most compelling promises of cryptocurrencies is decentralization. It means no single entity controls the network, unlike traditional central banks. But are cryptocurrencies truly decentralized, or are new gatekeepers emerging, like mining pools and crypto exchanges? Edward Snowden and other privacy advocates warn that without true decentralization, cryptocurrencies risk replicating the problems of traditional financial systems. Chapter 4. Can cryptocurrencies replace fiat money? Will cryptocurrencies replace the fiat money we've known for centuries? Jack Dorsey stated in an interview with The Times that he believes Bitcoin will one day become the world's single currency, while Michael Saylor and other supporters see it as the ultimate hedge against inflation. It is the ultimate safe haven and digital property, Michael Saylor states. However, some experts believe digital currencies might coexist alongside fiat money, each serving unique purposes. Are digital currencies ready to take on this challenge, or will they remain niche? One thing is sure, digital money is reshaping finance as we know it. Can cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin live up to their promise of financial freedom, or will they remain an alternative investment in a world dominated by fiat currencies? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if this journey has intrigued you, like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening discussions. Stay curious, stay calm, and hodl sats.